Good afternoon, that's Mad Max, I'm Iain Lawrie. Let's talk about the 95 Sunseeker. It's a stunning boat, I sold it a couple of years ago. Let's take a look at it, come on aboard. I'm a yacht broker in Fort Lauderdale. A long time ago, I moved to America for all the wrong reasons. Fast women, fast cars, fast lifestyle, this weather, and I knew nothing about boats. So I moved to Miami and I started off at the bottom and I've grown up into a successful yacht broker at the highest level. That's why I'm here. Okay, so now let's go and look around this beautiful 95-foot Sunseeker. You got to know me. I think my hair's okay. Let's go and check it out. Okay then. The first thing you'll notice, good headroom. You'll notice the opulent surroundings, the high gloss wood. And if you look carefully, the marquetry, it's flawless. Hardwood floors. It really feels special. You've got beautiful seating here for 12 people. You have a dining table for 8 to the port side, which for those of you who don't know what the port is, that is left. Starboard is right. And we've got a beautiful balcony here, which when you're sitting eating dinner, at anchor imagine, island setting, beautiful water looking down, it's just special. Galley is equipped to be able to cook for up to 10, 12 people. Brings me back to a time when I was in Hong Kong. I was on a Sunseeker during the Asian financial crisis. I made a deal with a Chinaman, and because they had no money and the American dollar was very, very strong, we were buying yachts at 20, 30 cents on the dollar. We were making a lot of money in those days. It was really quite an astonishing time. I had to go to the office of the seller to sign the documents and get the bills of sale. He didn't speak any English. We get into the office, high up on the floor, somewhere in Hong Kong, the door shut, these two big guys. They were all a 5 foot, because we were in China, remember? But that was big for China. One of them said, after his boss said something in Chinese, "You know I should kill you." I said, "What do you mean?" He says, "You are making me lose face. I'm selling my boat so cheap. I can't be doing this. I could have you killed." I said, "Sorry, it's just business." That was a very memorable time in Hong Kong, but I was a little concerned, but I was pretty sure they weren't going to shoot me in his office. Luckily, I got out unscathed that particular time, but there's been others where we've had some very close incidents where people got angry.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I want to dry up, but you just keep on going.
Sunseeker has an on-deck master. There's also an on-deck toilet, which is here. But the important thing is you come through into here, going into the master cabin. It also has its private entrance from the side. There's a vanity and a small office desk here to the side. And then look at this cabin. It's very, very light and airy, spacious, large TV, big windows. The carpet, wow, it's spongy. It's really soft and comfortable. Interestingly, there's a lot of space to hang all the clothes here. There's going to be a hers, a hers, a hers, a hers, and a hers. And if he's lucky, because I know the owner of the boat, maybe he gets the small one. So I'm in the shower. It's so comfortable, large. Look at the marble. Everything again is matched. It's single pieces of stone as large as they got, cut into slices. I'm going to keep my clothes on, but trust me, it's a beautiful shower. So not only do you do your business in here, in the unlikely event there's an emergency, every yacht has to have 2 ways of getting out of a cabin. So here is an escape hatch which goes into a cabin behind this master cabin so that you can escape. So you pull this open, push that, and you're away.
I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I want to pay.
So the owner's quarters are the soul of the boat. The heart of the boat is the engine room, and now we're coming up into the brains. This is where everything starts from. All the controls, the movements of the boat. You almost have to be able to fly a space shuttle. That brings me to another story. I bought a boat through an owner. We're halfway across towards south of France and we lose an engine. I had to get the boat onto a ship. I rolled the dice. I asked the captain, let's keep going on one engine. He refused to. He wanted to go back to port. I had to meet a transport ship. I couldn't afford not to meet the ship, so I had to take the risk. The captain quit. So now I'm with all this sophisticated equipment around me thinking, holy shit. Believe it or not, I know a little bit about boats. Begged the captain. Reluctantly, he took command again because I was going to be completely lost because I didn't know where we were going or how to get there. So you've seen a snippet of my life today. I could have had this yacht full of CEOs saying how great the boat is. Next time we could be talking to the engineers, the chefs, the captains, the vendors, the engineers that come to fix the boat, the people that keep these things running and floating in shipyards. There's many, many things that we can be looking at in the future. I'm going to leave you with two things. Never wear shoes while you're on a yacht, number one. Number two, everything happens for a reason. From Iain Lawrie, thank you very much.